How to multi-stream like Ninja. Knowing how to multi-stream like Ninja is important because it expands your audience reach, increases visibility, and maximizes engagement potential across multiple platforms, ultimately enhancing your online presence and content distribution strategy. Now, Ninja is known to stream in Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and TikTok. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get that done in this very simple tool. We have Streamlabs Desktop. Now, in this Streamlabs desktop, I have already subscribed to Streamlabs Ultra, which allows me to multi-stream. Now, if you are interested in that, you can just go ahead and look for that in here. So we have Streamlabs Ultra, this one. Alright, there you go. And you can go ahead and click Join Ultra here. Now, this is going to cost you some money. However, if you're going to go ahead and click the link in the description box and the comment section, you're going to get a $10 worth of discount. So go ahead and click that one in order for you to save some money. Now again, we're going to proceed. I'm going to open this one here. This is my Streamlabs desktop. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the settings. Now here in the settings, I'm going to click stream, and basically I'm just going to go ahead and connect to the stream destinations in here. Now again, our priority is Twitch, YouTube, as well as Kick. Now, if you're curious how to link this one, it's actually pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and show you an example. Say for example, Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and click the connect button in here, and you're just going to go ahead and input the stream URL and the stream key in here. Now, you're going to do the same thing for all the others. Say for example, Trovo. I'm going to click connect. Now you can also click this one here, and you will be redirected to Trovo. Alright, just like that. So you're going to log in, and basically that's how you're going to connect it. Now, if we are going to talk about Kick, it's actually a bit different. So what we are going to do here, say for example, I have my Kick in here. Now you can just go ahead and click add destination because you don't have Kick here pre-built in. So that's actually a problem. Now we're going to open our Kick. So yep, this is how it looks right now. So basically you're just going to go ahead and open your creator dashboard. After opening it, click the settings and then click stream key. Now you're just going to copy this one. This is a stream URL. Go back here and put the URL in here, and then for the stream key, click this one and put it in here. For the destination, you can name this however you want and then click save. Now I have already added Kick in here, so there's no need for me to do this once again. Now click done, and yep, that's how you're going to do it. We're going to open our Streamlabs. From this point forward, I'm going to go ahead and click go live, and then we're going to enable Twitch, YouTube, as well as Kick. So yep, now you're just going to go ahead and basically put some settings in here or put some descriptions in here, and then click confirm and go live. Now for TikTok, it's actually a bit different because TikTok is using their own live streaming tool, which is a TikTok Live Studio. You can just go ahead and download this one in their page. Alright, and here's how it looks right now. So basically what is going to happen is that Streamlabs is going to stream in 3 destinations, while TikTok is going to stream in TikTok itself. So now you are streaming not only to 2 destinations, but 4 destinations at the same time. So yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to multi-stream like Ninja. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials, from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.